Today we're heading down to the beach to do a little swimming, and we're going to have a fish barbecue on the beach. We'll show you how it's done. So let's get going. Okay, we're going to pack up the motor scooter and head on down to Dauin. So we'll pack this up and get going. What I like about this scooter is you got plenty of storage. That's your storage under the seat. I got a nice trunk area back here. And you got a nice hook right there. Plenty of storage. And I'll show you how we load it up. Okay, right here, this is under the seat. We got a couple of masks. Because we're going to go snorkeling. We got a nice thermos there. Back over here, we got all of the fixings for the fish when we cook the fish. So we can close the seat. And there's the fish grill right there. You'll see when we get to the beach. They have barbecue pits. So okay, let's get started. Alright, we are ready to go. Got the bag. Everything's loaded. You ready to go? Ready to go. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're here at the seaside resort. We bought the fish. She's preparing the fish, seasoning the fish, and then we're going to cook it on a nice fire.
Can you give me the another? I forgot to the magic syrup over there in the box. Can you get that, please?
Okay, we have to light the fire. We use coconut shells for charcoal. There's the coconut shells, and we're lighting up the fire. They're burnt coconut shells. There we go. She knows how to do it. Put the coconut shells in there, and before you know it, we'll have a nice fire going here. There's another stove here. Water is boiling. I guess you're going to make some corn or something. But there's another way to heat things up, another stove. Now we're putting some seasoning on the fish. Oh boy, fish going to be good today. What kind of fish is this?
Fish?
What kind
I
of
don't
fish?
know what's the name is this fish.
You don't know what kind? Mystery fish.
Shiny fish.
It's mystery fish. Okay. So put the macerant on there. And some other little things, seasonings. And we'll be ready to go. Okay, this is our fish cooker. You put the fish right into this little contraption here. And you lock it down tight so the fish doesn't get away. And that's going to hold the fish while you're cooking it on the charcoal grill.
Yeah, here.
Just like that. We have other people cooking here, of course. We're getting the smoke. Look at that smoke. Well, let's see how our smoke is coming. I might need some lighter fluid. Alright, the charcoals are just about ready. They're heating up real nice. Next, we're going to put the fish on the grill. Alright, that fire is going pretty good now. Now it's time to put the fish on the grill. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That's a good looking fish. Okay, so that's got to cook how long now?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. That's going to cook for 30 minutes. That fish is really cooking up now.
I got the video now. Here's our fish finishing.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
That looks like a good fish. Well, that was our trip. I hope you enjoyed the fish.